Welcome friends, welcome to this interesting session. My name is Satyajeet Sahu and I will be guiding you into a very common doubt which many students ask me and other teachers, that when they are in their college life, especially second year, third year, and they want to prepare for the GATE examination, they face this difficulty that how to balance the college and the GATE preparation. I always give this answer that you yourself are quite intelligent to balance, because all of you have passed 10th and then you have studied your class 11, 12 and then entered engineering. Sometimes we forget that we have gone through the entire school education system, and during your entire school education system you have balanced many subjects. It's not that first time you're balancing your subjects and preparation. Okay, so you have done that. But sometimes what happens, we need to be reminded that we are capable enough to do that task. So as far as to prepare a timetable is concerned, so timetable is a very personal thing. It will vary from student to student. So I will not give you a timetable. So many students ask, sir, prepare a timetable for us. So that is a very illogical approach, because all the students are different. Their mindset is different, their family conditions are different, their timings might be different. Some students might be comfortable waking up in the morning, some students might be comfortable to study in the late night, or some students might be doing their household work, or they might be staying in a PG, or they might be staying in a hostel. Some students might be staying there with their parents. So the surroundings and the conditions are different for different students. So best is that you should be preparing a timetable. So if you are not able to prepare a timetable after you have attained 18 age, so you should think that you should be doing that yourself. So as an adult, at least the task of preparing a timetable should be yours, not of any teacher. But coming to the principles, so as a teacher or as a guide, we have some principles for you. You can follow certain principles or certain ideas which you can implement during your preparation for GATE examination during the college time. So I will be telling you some principles, and you can keep in mind those principles when you are preparing a timetable for yourself. Okay, so let us go to those principles and see them one by one. So this video is intended for students who are in their second year or third year, okay, mostly second year students, because they will get ample time. If you are already in fourth year, that means it's a very high time for you. So you have to do a lot of running and complete the syllabus. Or if you are pass out, then obviously you have full time, the whole day you are free. So that's a different situation. So here this is for second year students, because second year students, when students come to engineering college, so first year there are a lot of subjects, common subjects. So second year actually they enter into their respective branches, and from second year you can say that labs of the particular department also comes into picture. So actually the study of a particular branch starts from second year. So if you start preparing for the GATE exam in your second year only, that is a very good time, because in second year, third year, you can almost complete the syllabus and you can appear for GATE in the third year itself. And suppose you don't intend to give GATE in the third year, so you can complete the syllabus by third year, and then when you enter the fourth year, you will be left with what? Only the revision part. Yes. So best will be if you study and complete syllabus in second year and third year, and then fourth year you are just revising, giving the test series, and you are appearing for your college placements. Okay, that will be the ideal timeline. Now, how to use your college time efficiently? So judicious use of attendance margin. Now I recommend that you should be attending 100% of the college classes. I don't recommend bunking the classes. That's not a sign of a good student. Okay, a sincere student should not be bunking the classes. But when we are seeing a judicious use of attendance margin, we know that it's an attendance margin of 75%. So you should maintain that 75%. And when I'm talking about judicious margin, the top principle is that you are going for 100% attendance. You should be targeting 100% attendance. But suppose there is certain day where there is no class, only one class is there, and if you can skip that class and you get the whole day to cover the pending portion subject, then that will be a judicious decision, right? That you see that okay, one class is there, that is not that important, you can skip that and still maintain the attendance record. So in that case you can skip some classes, but I don't recommend skipping your classes. You should be attending almost 100% of the classes in the college, but certain days you can take some judicious decision and use that margin. And during the college hours, try to engage yourself in revising the short notes. See, you should not be attending the lectures of, suppose you're attending the lectures of, recorded lectures of hours. So you should not be doing that in the classroom. That's not good. Okay. So the college hours should be always used to revise something, to revise the short notes, revise the notes, solve some questions, solve some previous questions, or just go through the class notes. Class notes means the notes which you have made from our recorded lectures. So that you can do during the college time. Okay. And you can also solve some very numerical type of questions, because those type of questions are very interesting, so that create interest. So if you are getting some time in between the classes, sometimes what happens in between the classes, there is 1 hour gap in the colleges. So that time, instead of wasting time in doing chit chat and wasting your time on phone, you can just bring your notes and then start solving some numericals or some theoretical topics or questions which you find easy. Or you can do one thing, suppose topics which you like, so those things you can do in college, and then topics which require a lot of attention for you, that you can go back and do at home. Okay. And it's a very important point that what happens in the college time, only you are with your friends and your department mates or your lab mates. So use the college time only to complete those things. Which things? The assignments and the lab reports and all. Suppose you have completed the lab, so just complete the lab report after the lab and then come back to home. What happens if we keep it pending? We think, okay, tomorrow we'll meet and do it. So then what happens? You take more time. So there is a principle that if you decide that I will complete in 2 hours, you will complete in 2 hours. If you decide that I will take 5 hours, you will complete in 5 hours. If you decide that I will take the entire day, you will take the entire day. So best will be to complete the college things in the college only, because there your friends will be there. You can just sit and take out that additional margin of time and complete those things. Give a target, suppose in 1-2 hours we'll complete the lab record, complete that and then come back to home. So when you're coming back to home, you're just free to study for the GATE exam. So don't keep things pending that I'll do next week or tomorrow we can meet and then complete. I'm so tired. No, don't do that. So complete the things in the college itself. Okay, complete things in the college itself. And during the break time, okay, in the break time, there is no library period in the college. You can go to the library in the break time. Normally there is break. Sometimes what happens, the lab is 4 hours. Sometimes the lab completes in 2 hours. So in those times, don't do chit chat and don't waste your time. Or don't come back to home, complete the lab record. Or if you are free, come back home and then solve the questions. Solving questions is a very good thing which you can do in the college time. Don't study in the college. Don't start a new topic in the college time, because it is not you're not completely free there. You'll get time in slots. You'll get a 15 minutes break, or you might get 1 hour break. So when you're studying a new topic, then it's better that you have 3-4 hours in one go. That is good for evenings. Okay, so when you come back from college, do the studies. Studies a new concept or understanding the concept from video. Okay, but college time you can do revision and solving questions. The topics which you have already studied and practiced, so you can do the additional practice and then you can revise. So revision and the solving the questions, that should be done in the college time. Okay, and weekend you should use very judiciously. Weekend and holidays, and also vacations. In colleges you have summer vacations. It's a semester break, not a vacation. A semester break is there, sometimes 1 month. Some college, some university differs from university to university. Some university have 1 month or 2 months or 1.5, whatever. Okay, so what you do, the semester's break, don't waste your time going around the world that you can do after you clear your examinations. So use that time fully, because that time you don't have any additional can say liabilities from the college, so you are free. Okay, there is no assignment in the semester break, or no lab, or no college going. So you getting 1 month or whatever period, make sure that you use every day of that. You should be studying 10 hours or 12 hours in those time, and also you should be studying 10 to 12 hours in the weekends also. Okay, in the weekends you should be studying only. So if you use the weekends and all these holidays, okay, some festivals you might not be able to study, some festivals also we should give to family and friends, that is fine, but not all the festivals. All the festivals, those should not be celebrating 50-60 festivals per year and during your school days, or in your studies days. That you can do after you are settled. So these holidays, weekends, if you calculate weekends only, there are 52 weekends, so almost some Saturday you might be getting half day, or so those time, use that very judiciously, or full Sundays holiday and the semester breaks. So use those breaks very judiciously, should not be wasting your time. So when you are in the semester time, suppose you are unable to keep a pace with the lectures in GATE Wallah. Suppose in GATE Wallah you have taken a course, and you in the GATE Wallah, suppose there are 5 subjects are complete and you have only attended 3, so 2 are remaining. So in that case, what you do, those 2 you should be completing in this semester breaks. Okay, so keep a list of all the topics which you have done, which you have not done, and complete them in this semester break and the weekends. Okay, so if you are doing this in a very dedicated way, then there is no doubt that you will be able to balance both. So as I have told, many students come and tell that, sir, we are not able to balance, we are not able to do, because we are not, we are wasting our time in many things. So find out that where you are wasting your time. So if you are not wasting your time, you get a lot of time. Because see, actually in college, maximum number of hours is 25 to 30 hours per week. Yes. So if a week has 168 hours, 24 into 7, 168. So maximum you will be giving to college is 30 hours only, not more than that. Because that is what is there in a credit system. In credit system, the number of hours lab and theory all combined will be 30 hours. And suppose there are a lot of assignments and lab reports are there. Let me take more 10 hours, so 40 hours. So if you sleep 7 hours per day, so that is 50 hours almost. So 50 plus 40, 90 hours. So what you are doing the rest 78 hours, because the week consists of 168 hours. 40 hours goes in college, 50 hours goes in sleep. You have got 68 hours. Obviously, the rest 68 hours you cannot study, but certainly you can study 40 hours out of that. So if you are preparing for GATE, then GATE is your top priority. So that rest 68 hours, many will say, sir, I have to watch movie, I have to go to meet friends, I have to do this. So do that. Then don't prepare for GATE. Yes. So if you are preparing for GATE, then whatever time goes in college and sleep, after that, whatever remaining time is that, your top priority should be your studies. So if somebody is focused in this manner that, whatever remaining time I am going to study, then they will get a lot of time. So if you are not getting time, that means you are wasting your time in some things which you should not be doing if you are preparing for GATE. So if you are preparing for GATE, you have to cut things, you have to cut off many things. So if you cannot cut off things that you want to do a lot of things, lot of stuff, then preparation will be difficult. But if you are focused, and apart from college also, you'll get a lot of time. Okay, thank you very much.